Leftover eggshells are great treasures for growing flowers. Teach you how to make foliar fertilizer for green plants. Crush the eggshells in a container. Then pour 200 milliliters of white vinegar, seal and rest for 3 days. After that, it has become a highly efficient calcium fertilizer. Then pour 500 milliliters of water to dilute. Filter the water for leaf spraying. Green plants grow luxuriantly, leaves are shiny green. There are skills in growing flowers. Follow me.
Teach you how to make phosphate fertilizer for growing flowers from the eggshells. Put a few eggshells in the cup. Mash it. Pour in 200 milliliters rice vinegar. Close the lid. After standing for 3 days, it becomes a very efficient phosphate fertilizer. Dilute the fermented calcium phosphate fertilizer with 500 milliliters of water. Then filter out the eggshells. Water the flowers once a week. Can promote the growth and flowering of green plants.
Don't rush to throw the eggshells away. Add this little thing, and it will be a very good calcium fertilizer. It can make crops grow vigorously overnight. Well-developed root system, thick green leaves. Today, I will share it with you for free. Before sharing, please like and follow to support me. The recipe is to use 500 milliliters of vinegar, add 5 crushed eggshells, soak for 3 days. When you notice bubbles appearing, natural calcium fertilizer is fermented. It contains a variety of amino acids and various nutrients. When using, we add 20 caddies of water to spray the crops. If your crops have yellow leaves, it can be used for phenomena such as leaf and fruit falling. Have you remembered them all? Pay attention to learn more about agricultural planting knowledge.
The eggshells are great treasures for growing flowers. Teach you how to make foliar fertilizer for green plants. Crush the eggshells, then pour in 200 milliliters of white vinegar into a cup. Sealed it. After 3 days, it has become a highly efficient calcium fertilizer. Then add 500 milliliters of water to dilute. Filter the water. Apply leaf spray. You will find that green plants are growing lushly. Leaves are emerald green. There are skills in growing flowers. Follow me.
Teach you how to make your own foliar fertilizer for green plants with eggshells. Put a few eggshells in the cup. Crush it. Pour in 200 milliliters rice vinegar. Let stand for 3 days. It has become a very efficient calcium fertilizer. Now we dilute it with 500 milliliters of water. Filter out the eggshells and then spray on leaves. Can promote the growth and luxuriance of green plants.